Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this classic snow cheesecake. Ultimately soft, moist and cheesy sponge cake that you cheese lover will surely love. A light, moist and fluffy vanilla sponge cake, lightly filled and frosted with fluffy vanilla buttercream on top, finished with a generous topping of shredded cheddar cheese. The combination of soft cake, sweet vanilla buttercream, and salted cheese are perfect match in every bite. You will love how easy, moist, and fluffy this homemade cake is. I have made many times and this is one of my family favorite frosted cakes. So without further ado, let's get started. To start off, preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius and let's prepare our pan. You can use your regular 8-inch round, square pan, or maybe rectangle pan. I personally just love the look of a sponge cake with that hole in the middle. It looks simple yet stunning, so I'm using my lovely bun pan here. I'm just going to grease the pan with generous amount of my bakery pan grease. Kindly find the recipe in the description below. Or you can brush it with some butter and sprinkle flour to grease them. One important tips, if you are using bun pan, just make sure that you cut all the nooks and crannies, or else the cake will stuck inside the pan. And for the wet ingredients, in a medium bowl, I'm just going to combine the milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Mix that all through, set aside. Then for the butter, in a large bowl, pour in the egg whites. Whip at low speed until foamy. Then add the lemon juice and continue mixing it. By adding small amount of lemon juice, helps to stabilize the egg white, prevent overbeating, and allows the beaten whites to reach their full volume and stiffness. When the mixture starts to become white, add the sugar gradually. Continue beating until it reaches a stiff peak. This is what they should look like. When the egg whites reach the thick stage, they are smooth, moist, shiny, and the tips can stand straight up. Next, add in the egg yolks. Mix slowly until just combine. Sieve all the dry ingredients into a bowl in 3 batches. Mix after each addition. And to finish the butter, take about 3 tablespoons of the eggs mixture and mix them to the wet ingredients. Then gently pour it back to the eggs mixture. Scrape them and fold with spatula until well combined. This technique is used to make sure that the butter is well combined and there is no liquid left at the bottom of the butter. Pour the butter slowly into the pan. I suggest to pour it from about 15 cm height to help get rid of air bubbles. And then shake and tap the pan against worktop. Now go ahead and bake this off at 150 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. Then increase the heat to 170 degrees Celsius and continue baking for about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make our fluffy vanilla buttercream. In a large bowl, combine the shortening, salted butter, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. Mix it all through until it becomes pale white, light and fluffy. Our cake is almost done, guys. We will know the cake is done when the skewer inserted to the center of the cake comes out clean. Looks pretty. Once the cake comes out from the oven, tap the pan immediately about 2 to 3 times so the cake won't shrink too much. And then put the greaseproof paper and cooling rack on top. Flip the pan and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the pan and let it cool completely. As you can see, by using baking pan grease, we can release every cake easily from the pan every single time. This cake bakes up so nice and beautifully even on the top, making it perfect for layering. This cake already looks so delicious here, and they are even better when they pair with the buttercream and cheddar cheese. And to assembly the cake, I am using toothpick as a cutting guide here. This is a great way to ensure your cake is perfectly flat and it's the same height all the way around. Using serrated knife, divide the cake into half. Apply about half of the vanilla buttercream as a filling and spread evenly. Place the other layer of the cake on top. Gently spread the rest buttercream. And finally, cut the cake with a generous amount of the shredded cheddar cheese. And if you are a true cheese lover, feel free to add shredded cheddar cheese in the middle of the filling if you want. Alright guys, now we have our beautiful slice of classic snow cheesecake. I love seeing all the delicious layers in there, and I can't wait to try this. If you're not exactly a sweet tooth, this snow cheesecake might be just right for you. Saltiness from the cheddar cheese, just right paired with the sweetness from vanilla buttercream. It's so soft and light, just the right amount of sweetness. And the cheese toppings give a perfect balance and enjoyable to eat. This cake is perfect little snack to go with your afternoon tea or after dinner with coffee or tea. They are amazingly fluffy and stay moist even if you keep them in the fridge for a few days. I literally could not stop eating it. This cake's so yummy. The vanilla cake and buttercream is so moist and delicious, and the grated cheese meshes with them perfectly. There's something about milky and creamy cheese that's really gives depth of flavor of the cake. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy and safe, and don't forget to subscribe for more cute and best recipes. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye everyone.